Hey, what's up, guys? It's your man Jeremiah. I'm going to do a little video on raw market movement for beginners, for the people who are new to trading. Let's get it started. Let's get into it because that's how we do it. Okay, so right now, one thing you guys will have to learn is the overall trends, uptrend and downtrend. And right now, I'm on the Euro JPY chart, the 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, the overall market is going into a downtrend. When I say it's going into a downtrend, the market is going down. So when the market is going down, you always place a sell. You don't never want to place a buy entry in a overall downtrend. Got that? Everybody got that understood? So with understanding raw market movement, basically it's simple as this. It's simple as pie. So you see the market coming into a downtrend, it comes down and it's gonna pull back. When the market is in a trend, it always does pullbacks. That's how you will know it's official trend. The market always does pullbacks. So it's in a downtrend, pull back, continue down, pull back, continue down, continue down, and pull back. Basically, when the market is in a downtrend, it forms lower highs and lower lows. And I'm gonna write this out for you guys so you guys can see what I'm talking about for the beginners. Lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs. 1 second. Lower high. This is a lower high because it's the highest level in the downtrend. You guys got that? It's the highest level in the downtrend. So the lower high is the highest level reached in the overall downtrend. That is the lower high. The lower low is the lowest point that is reached in the overall downtrend. So I'm gonna draw a lower low, and that's how that's basically how the market moves. So we have a lower low formed and a lower high, and we're gonna come back down. It's another lower low. We formed another lower low, and basically this is exactly how the market moves, man. This is how the market moves. This is how I place majority of my trades, confirming basically if I should enter or not. And we formed a lower high right here. And then we continue down. We continue down. Price had a major drop. This is a major downfall. Really didn't do any pullbacks. It did minor pullbacks, but those minor pullbacks really aren't something you just have to worry about too much. So yeah, I formed another lower low. Lower low was formed. Oh, my bad. And yeah, that's basically how you determine the trends. Lower highs and lower lows. It shows you everything. Shows you everything. First step, find the trend. Find the trend. Find the trend. That's one thing you will always have to remember. Find the trend before anything. Before you decide just to hop in a trade, you must know the trend, because you can't jump in a buy position when the overall trend is going down, or you can't jump in a sell position when the overall trend is going up. You know what I mean? So it's just something you have to pay attention to when you're knowing the trend. So yeah, it was forming lower lows and lower highs, and it came down to its lower level. The price began to consolidate. When the price consolidates, it basically means that it's going up and down, and it's not going into a area of not an area. It's not going in a trend. It's not trending right now. This isn't a trending market right now. In this area, it was consolidation, because it comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down. It's not an overall trend. As you can see, this is a major downfall right here. So this is a downtrend. That's a major downtrend. Right now we're in consolidation. We had a little breakout to the high. We had a little breakout going up. It broke past this resistance area, and it's still in consolidation basically. The market was in consolidation, and I wouldn't recommend anyone to trade when the market is in consolidation. The best thing to do is just watch and just wait for the breakout. That's the best thing to do. The longer the market is in consolidation, the bigger the breakout you will get. I apologize, guys. My allergies bothering me a little bit. Yeah, so the market was in consolidation still. It had a little breakout, but I still wouldn't enter that trade because it's no overall trend. There's no overall trend. So as you guys can see, this is the lower high. This lower high, how you will know if the market changes into an uptrend when that lower high is broken. And as you guys can see right here, let me show y'all. As you guys can see in this area right here, price broke the lower high. So that will give me my confirmation that the trend is going to transfer into an uptrend. You guys getting to where I'm coming from? That will show me. And yeah, the trend began. That's my overall confirmation that okay, we're going in an uptrend now. This lower high was broken. It came up into a minor uptrend, did a pullback, retested. Always wait on a retest. Came back and retested this level of basically it was a level of resistance. Now it's a level of support. Resistance is your roof. This was its roof when it was in the overall downtrend. Now we're at a level of support. This is my floor. So boom, it hits that level of support, and what do we get? We get a continuous uptrend. We get an uptrend. So overall, we're going up. We're forming higher lows and higher highs now. Right now we're getting minor you're getting minor raw market movement going on. We're not getting just a big trend going on, but we're forming higher lows and higher highs. And this is basically how the market moves, guys. This is how I determine my trend. If I see higher lows and higher highs being formed, this is exactly how I determine my trend. Most likely at this level of price, most likely it'll pull back and then just continue on in the uptrend. And yeah, I came up with a little method called 1-2 run it through to find my overall trend. Right now, as you guys can see, this is in an uptrend. We are in a uptrend. 1, 2, run it through. When I mean 1, 2, run it through, I'm basically connecting the wicks. The wicks at the bottom of the candlesticks are my confirmations for the uptrend because it's respecting this level of this uptrend. This uptrend is respecting this level. This trend line that I just drew is basically my support for my uptrend. So it comes up, comes back down, hits this level, comes back up. It may come back down, hit this level, and continue up. If it breaks this trend line, that's confirmation. Basically, price is going into a downtrend. You get what I'm saying, guys? So I hope you guys understanding where I'm coming from with my basically my price, my raw market movement. And I'm going to give you one more little example of the higher highs and higher lows, so you guys can understand how price moves. Higher high, higher low. So we got a higher high, higher low. This is a basically a higher low. This is where the trend began. So this will be my higher low also. Yeah, guys, and this is basically how the market moves, raw market movement. Always look for the retrace and the pullback. When you're getting an uptrend, when you're in a trend, always look for the pullback. The market will forever do a pullback. If it gets a big move, just know always after that big move, it's going to be a pullback. You're going to always get a pullback. Pound that in your head. It will always be a pullback. And this is for my new traders, my beginners, everyone who's recently learning about the market and how the foreign exchange market works. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You guys should get the concept. And yeah, we're on a 4-hour chart. I basically did my breakdown. You see the overall downtrend, how basically price moves. And yeah, guys, I hope my video was helpful for y'all. And let's continue learning. Let's continue growing. Shout out to Bobby Tatum, my mentor. He's the one who's been actually guiding me through the process of learning to become a professional trader. So that's the goal. So let's just keep going, guys. Let's work forward towards success, and let's continue to grow on this page. Peace.